So I was talking about glue in one of my videos, and somebody asked me, hey, what kind of glue do you use? So I'm about to show you. It is an OSI, right? And it's just a drywall adhesive. It says drywall panel adhesive. That's what it is. And then I have my screw gun, or my glue gun, I mean. And this is actually an old one. Sorry. I have a newer one. This is an old one. And you know, they all have cutters on them. So this is a great big quart tube. And I like to cut it twice, like that. And then it's got a poker on it too. I like to poke the hole. Okay. And then stick it in and go to work. But so that's how I used my glue guns, and then I just glue it up. You know, it's this one doesn't have the release button, the little release button, so you have to turn the thing. But I'll just glue this up a little bit and hang it. Simple thing. And then I can use a lot less screws when I glue it. And I'm telling you, it's really hard. This glue here now is called green glue. It used to have a lot of a bad smell to it. It had a lot of adhesive to it too, but it stunk up the entire house when you used the old glue. This isn't like that. This is safe for the environment, but boy does it stick. I'm telling you, the old glue, even within an hour or two, you could pop the sheet loose. This you cannot. You glue this thing down, and within an hour or two, you can't get it off the wall anymore, not without destroying the piece. So this is good glue. I really like this. So you guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.